Applications of inorganic chemistry in fertilizer production. Introduction. Inorganic chemistry plays an essential role in the production of fertilizers, which are crucial for modern agriculture. Fertilizers help plants to grow and increase their yields. The use of fertilizers has revolutionized agriculture by enabling farmers to increase their crop productivity. In this article, we will explore the various applications of inorganic chemistry in the production of fertilizers. Importance of fertilizers. Fertilizers contain essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plants need to grow. These nutrients are often not present in sufficient quantities in the soil, which can limit plant growth and yield. Fertilizers help to replenish the soil with these essential nutrients, allowing plants to grow to their full potential. Without fertilizers, agriculture as we know it would not exist, and food production would be severely limited. Inorganic chemistry in fertilizer production. Inorganic chemistry is essential in the production of fertilizers. The three primary nutrients needed for plant growth, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, are typically obtained from inorganic sources. Inorganic compounds like ammonium nitrate, urea, and superphosphate are commonly used in the production of fertilizers. Nitrogen fertilizers. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plant growth, and it is often the limiting factor in crop productivity. Nitrogen fertilizers are typically synthesized from ammonia, NH3, which is produced by the Haber-Bosch process. In this process, nitrogen gas from the air is combined with hydrogen gas from natural gas to produce ammonia. Ammonia can then be converted into various nitrogen fertilizers like ammonium nitrate, urea, and ammonium sulfate. Phosphorus fertilizers. Phosphorus is another essential nutrient for plant growth, and it is often found in low concentrations in soil. Phosphate rock is the primary source of phosphorus used in the production of fertilizers. Phosphate rock is mined and then treated with sulfuric acid to produce phosphoric acid, which is then used to manufacture various phosphate fertilizers like superphosphate and triple superphosphate. Potassium fertilizers. Potassium is the third essential nutrient needed for plant growth, and it is often found in low concentrations in soil. Potassium fertilizers are typically obtained from potassium chloride, which is mined from underground deposits. Potassium chloride can be processed to produce various potassium fertilizers like potassium sulfate and potassium nitrate. Other inorganic compounds used in fertilizer production. In addition to the primary nutrients, fertilizers may also contain other inorganic compounds like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. These compounds are often added to fertilizers to improve soil fertility and plant growth. Calcium is an essential nutrient for plant growth, and it is often found in soil in low concentrations. Calcium fertilizers like calcium nitrate and calcium ammonium nitrate are commonly used to supplement soil with calcium. Magnesium is another essential nutrient for plant growth, and it is often found in soil in low concentrations. Magnesium fertilizers like magnesium sulfate and magnesium oxide are commonly used to supplement soil with magnesium. Sulfur is an essential nutrient for plant growth, and it is often deficient in soils. Sulfur fertilizers like ammonium sulfate and gypsum are commonly used to supplement soil with sulfur. Importance of quality control in fertilizer production. The production of fertilizers involves complex chemical processes, and it is essential to maintain quality control to ensure that the final product is effective and safe. Quality control measures include testing raw materials for purity and quality.